Craving restaurant quality shrimp scampi but don't want to spend a fortune? I made this gourmet dish at home in just 30 minutes. Juicy jumbo shrimp, sauteed asparagus, and sweet cherry tomatoes. Now, something like this, like for instance, at an Olive Garden, I checked their website. This plate right here would cost $22.99, but you know you're not getting the type of ingredients that we're going to put in this today. So to make this delicious dish, you will need all these ingredients, and trust me, this will taste better made at home because you know what's going in your food. There's no mystery ingredients, just real delicious food. So right here, my wife's helping me devein the shrimp. I don't understand, like when you buy the shrimp from the store, the bag says devein, but when you get home, clearly it's not deveined. So now I'm going to cook the shrimp. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of butter. And also going to use 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm seasoning the shrimp with black pepper. So now just take your hands and move the shrimp around so the black pepper can be evenly coated on the shrimp. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some salt to the shrimp. Now I have the stove top on medium low. The butter is melted. Now it's time to pour the shrimp into the pan. I'm gonna let this cook on both sides about 2 minutes. And there you go, the shrimp is finished. So now it's time to cut the asparagus. And also make sure you rinse the asparagus under cold water and then dry them off. So now in a large pot of water, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of salt. I'm adding the angel hair pasta, about 1/4 of the box. I'm gonna get that pasta stirred in. The pasta is gonna take about 3 to 4 minutes to finish. Now I'm gonna saute the asparagus and the cherry tomatoes. That takes about like 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm adding another tablespoon of butter, waiting for that to melt. And I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of garlic. I'll wait for that garlic to brown. Added the asparagus, cherry tomatoes back to the pan. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add a 1/2 cup of dry white wine back into the pan. Also some red pepper flakes. You can add as much as you like. And then I'm gonna add the shrimp back to the pan, and then the pasta, and then get a 1/2 of a lemon and squeeze all the lemon juice into the pasta and shrimp. It's going to be good. Then the next is going to be the Parmesan grated cheese. And this is the parsley. We're going to add that to the top of the completed dish. And there you go. So here's the final dish. It was delicious. It was so good. My wife and I, we're not going back out to eat anytime soon. Just try this recipe. You will enjoy it.